So yes, hi everybody.
Hi.
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 So what was special
Hello,
about the
ma'am. Hello,
weekend?
everyone.
Kirti, are you saying something? So what was the special thing which you did over the weekend? Anything special that you would like to share quickly?
Sudden.
Uh-huh. Okay. I'll just mute her. Anu?
Spending time with my daughter and then
Uh-huh.
going to my Maushi's place.
Okay. So you spend time with your daughter and then you went. So anything special about spending time with your daughter?
Yes, after like a week, I got time to like really sit with her and um, play those games and things like that.
Okay.
Which of course in a week I don't get that kind
Hmm.
of a time, but Saturday is like doing something on
Very
our
nice.
own.
Very nice. Very nice. What about Kirti? क्या किया?
I experienced the real meaning of the word. Generally, meditation में कि
Kirti,
eyes
just
close
try
करो,
switching off your
फिर
video.
imagine करो तो वो हर हाँ
कितनी वीडियो स्विच ऑफ कर लीजिए सो हाँ अभी बात करिए
is it
या
is it clear? Is it clear?
हाँ अभी ठीक है
Is it clear now?
यस यस इज मच बेटर या यू कैन स्पीक नाउ
That like these words कि वो जो imagine हमको जो चाहिए
मुझे ना सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है आप जो बात कर रहे हो या तो फिर वापस एक बार लॉग इन करके देखिए या तो चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए बिकॉज बिल्कुल भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है आप जो बात कर रहे हो यस विशाखा हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू ओवर द वीकेंड
It was all awesome. Like again, sparing time with family, and this time it was really very less thinking about what to do Monday, because now from today we started with the standard 9th and 10th exam. So it was really like sparing a lot time with family, and especially with my in-laws, I spare time a lot.
Okay, okay, okay. What I want you to think about today is इन 2 दिनों में किसी भी प्रकार का किसी भी तरह का फियर महसूस किया और अगर किया तो वो क्या था किस चीज का डर महसूस किया और फिर आपने किया क्या किसी भी तरह का क्योंकि अभी तो I've been hearing, you've been hearing, all of us know about the rise in cases and lots of things. So अलग अलग टाइप का डर है तो किसी भी तरह का डर अगर महसूस किया या फील किया तो यू नो just share what kind of fear did you experience and just go back only for these 2 days like बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे नहीं जाएंगे just only look at Saturday and Sunday and think about this कि किसी भी प्रकार का किसी भी तरह का fear अगर महसूस किया है तो anybody hi Pallavi.
Hi Shilpa, hi everyone.
So we're just discussing that over the weekend, what did you do? And if there
Yes.
was any kind of fear that you experienced. So I just thought let's touch upon that today. So if you did, what kind of fear was it? And yeah, what did you do to overcome it?
Hello.
Huh?
Hello.
Vishakha? You want to?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Actually, from a last few days, it has happened that my father was suffering with corona. He was a positive one.
Oh.
So it was the same time I decided to join and start with this be optimistic. And I was actually somewhere thinking, okay, I was at that period in dire need of something like this optimistic. What happened? He actually was positive 18th Feb only,
Mm.
but later on admitted 2-3 days, came back home quite okay.
Mm.
But after that, all those things started again.
Mm.
Already he is a patient of diabetes and high BP, and he had a small minor attack a few years back also. Means at that time we were in colleges only.
Okay.
So it was like when yes, the day before yesterday, Saturday, he called me through video call when he reached home, and he first of all talked to my daughter, and then he talked to me. So hardly 1 minute or 1.5 minutes I was able to talk to him.
Mm.
Whatever weakness is there with him, I was shattered for a minute. After that, it was like, yeah, immediately, as soon as I just put off that phone call, after that, I was, yes, he's going to be all well. And very soon he will be like earlier. But whatever on that day, because the swelling was there a lot, he had that oxygen also. So I was unable to see that, and there was a little fear at that time. Like I was just going to break into those tears, and later on in at night, something late, I talked to brother also, and then I get a confirmation कि नहीं, it will be there. But
Mm.
yes, it was there for a while.
Mm. So is he still in the hospital or he's come home?
No. He came back home, and that's why he
And
gave a video call.
okay, and he is now what? The tests are now negative, or he's still?
It is not discussed actually. My brother didn't tell because the tests were done 3-4 days, and still the doctors are saying it was not. It was actually CRP test, which shows only infection.
Oh, okay, okay, all right.
But
So,
yes,
what was the fear about? I want to know
um,
what did you experience in terms of the fear?
it was actually कि, like I have seen him always fit and fine. कि एक आवाज भी काफी भारी है उनकी. And on that day I was like when I heard him ना, तो बहुत आवाज ऐसी बहुत कम आवाज आ रही थी. It was like he was finding it difficult to speak even.
Mm.
सांस भर आ रही थी. So later on when I come to know, when I talk to many people, those who have gone through such condition, they all said the same कि हाँ weakness आती है, that's all okay. But somewhere a point was there कि I was afraid. Still I am unable to judge what was that. But yes, I compare to him. I remember my bade papa who is no more now, and in his last day he was also almost like same कि आवाज नहीं निकलती. So later on I was able to find it कि हाँ मुझे कुछ वैसा लगा, उन्हें देख के मुझे उनकी याद आई. तो it was like that somewhere.
Okay, okay. So dar was of losing him.
Somewhere.
Fine. Uh, and then post that, what you did was after you switched off the phone, then you.
I just discuss as I was talking with my father-in-law at that time. So I discussed with him, and he also immediately said की नाही, सर्व व्यवस्थित होईल, काहीच काळजी नको करू. And it was immediately like when he was also speaking, it was like मेरा खुद का दिमाग भी मुझे बोल रहा है की हाँ that's all okay. की आतापर्यंत त्यांचं असं आहे की आतापर्यंत आयुष्यात कधीच बिमार नाही पडलेत ते. जे काही झालं हे असंच डायरेक्टली डायबिटीज किंवा तो जो एक हार्ट अटॅक आला, बट स्टील ही इज अ बॉर्न फायटर. सो समवेअर दॅट वॉज. अँड like after almost 1.5 years he is talking to me, so I was with that fear also ki he may not like, it was something different really.
Okay. Fair enough. So what about others? किस चीज का डर लगा या इन 2 दिनों में डर महसूस किया क्या?
नहीं, डर तो नहीं, बल्कि मैं ये 2 दिनों में बहुत ज्यादा खुश थी कि मुझे अंदर से कोई चीज बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश कर रही।
अरे
I was
वाह
so happy for these days.
ओके दिस इज फैंटास्टिक। और किस चीज के लिए बहुत खुश थे आप?
I don't know, but something is there which making me more very, very, very much happy.
Oh, that's so wonderful. You know, that is called happy for no reason. So this is such a good state to be in, you know, क्योंकि बहुत बार हम happy होते हैं पर उसका कोई reason होता है. The best thing is to be happy for no reason, you know. So that means you're just happy. Yeah. So किसी चीज पे आपका happiness dependent ना होना is very very empowering, very powerful feeling, isn't it? So thank you for sharing that, Kirti. That is wonderful. So Anu, Dipali, Rashmi, Pallavi. So basically, what we were just discussing is over the weekend, if you have experienced any kind of fear, and what did you do to uh, handle that fear or overcome that fear, or you stayed with the fear? What just happened, or the fear is still there? Is it still bothering you? Whatever it is. So Vishakha just shared about her father tested positive, and like he was in the hospital, and when he came home he made a video call, and there was some fear, and it is the one which typically all of us feel, that is the fear of losing some dear one. So she felt that fear, but then soon after she uh, switched off the phone. She managed to overcome with her thoughts, and she you know, and the moment she thought about it, her father-in-law also explained it to her and said, "Don't worry, he's going to be fine." So yeah, she did overcome that, but that time she did feel that fear. Anyone else?
May I?
Yes, Dipali.
Saturday was like it was Shani Amavasya,
हाँ
है ना?
हाँ
On Saturday it was Shani Amavasya was there,
हाँ
and we believe all these things. Shani Amavasya, Purnima, हम बहुत believe
हाँ
करते हैं.
हाँ
So like usually we never go anywhere during this Amavasya period जो रहता है ना, we never go anywhere.
हाँ
तो अभी क्या हुआ कि my brother he came from Nagpur to visit my mother's place. मतलब my mummy and papa is living in some very near to the Akola. There is a village known as Kanchanpur. So they
Okay.
live अभी pandemic के period में they were living there only in the village. They were
हाँ.
safe place है उनके लिए. तो he came कि चल we will go and meet करके मम्मी
हाँ.
पापा को मिल के आते हैं. I said okay, but it was like somewhere in my mind कि शनि अमावस्या यार तू कैसे क्या, how can you come from such a long distance, और कैसे क्या तू मतलब आया. But then I asked my husband कि मैं जाऊँ क्या. अब he was knowing कि I'm so curious to meet my mother.
हाँ.
पापा मम्मी से मिलना, obviously parents से मिलना, तो I'm so eager to meet them. तो he said कि he like did not stop me. Okay बोले जाओ, what can I do करके, मैं I cannot stop you. Okay जा करके. The entire journey from Akola to Kanchanpur, I was just thinking शनि अमावस्या क्या होगा, क्या होगा, what will happen, but nothing such that anything happened with me. Safely I reached to my place and I enjoyed the entire Sunday, the whole Sunday with my mummy papa, and it was a nice day. तो
That's
मतलब
wonderful.
ये क्यों मतलब दिमाग में ऐसा क्यों दिस बीज एज दे सोन, मतलब हमारे जो मम्मी पापा है, जो हमारे सास ससुर है कि ऐसा नहीं करना, ये अमावस्या है. तो मतलब कि वी मेनी टाइम्स सोचते हैं कि नहीं, नथिंग इज लाइक दैट, बट फिर भी समवेयर दैट फियर इज देयर इन द माइंड, क्योंकि वो राइट फ्रॉम दी मतलब चाइल्डहुड से सीखते जा रहे हैं, तो वो है, वो निकलता नहीं है. पर पूरे रास्ते भर मैं ये सोची कि कुछ होगा, कुछ होगा, क्या होगा, बट नथिंग जस्ट हैपेंड.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what, and it is such a beautiful association or beautiful analogy that has been given to me by my spiritual guru, and what he has taught us is Amvasya is the 15th phase of moon. You know, so the moon goes through phases, right? So Amvasya is the 15th one, and it is the most beautiful phase where you can't see the moon, but the moon is still there in the sky. And typically in the spiritual community, Dipali, everybody takes Amvasya to be the day where you can start to do anything which you want to increase. Like post, because Amvasya, it's a no moon day, right? There is no moon, you don't see the moon. and after that each day the moon starts growing phase by phase, right? So on that day you could start your prosperity rituals, your abundance rituals. You want to increase more love, you want to whatever you want to increase. So what you did was so beautiful. You went and met your parents. So it, that it might just increase your meeting them, it might just increase the harmony in the family, it might just increase the love in the relationships. So that is just so wonderful. You started it on that day. Yeah. So if you can now sow this new seed, like you just said that क्यों ऐसे हमारे मन में वो डाल के रखा है. So yeah, that time you were very young, and जो भी मम्मी पापा अंकल आंट सब लोग जो आसपास के लोग जो बोलते हैं, हम उसी पे विश्वास करके वैसे ही बड़े होते हैं, और वैसे ही हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम चलता जाता है, एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाता है. और उन बिलीफ से ही हमारे थॉट्स शेप होते हैं, और उन थॉट से फिर हमारी डेस्टिनी, हमारे इमोशंस, हमारी डेस्टिनी, ऐसे सब एक एक करके वो होता रहता है. सो you could now this time take this time to sow a new seed, that Amavasya is the best phase of the moon, where you can start with the prosperity, where the abundance, where the increasing of love and all the harmony in relationships ka day. And yeah, it's just the 15th phase of the moon. तो जैसे बाकी किसी दिनों पे हमें डर नहीं लगता है कि अरे मून अभी क्रीसेंट शेप में है तो मुझे डर लग रहा है, ऐसे तो हम कभी नहीं बोलते हैं. मून अभी हाफ मून है तो मुझे डर लग रहा है, ऐसे तो कभी नहीं बोलते. तो फिर वैसे ही जिस दिन मून नहीं है तो भी यू डोंट नीड टू फियर, बिकॉज देयर इज दैट fear which is instilled in us. And good you went and met your parents, and the Amavasya didn't stop you from meeting your parents. So yeah. So Pallavi, yes, you can definitely share. You want to share something?
Nothing. I had some fear. I don't know how to put it, but
Okay.
then to overcome that, I said that I'll ignore that currently. No point just focusing on that and staying over there. So I started two new things. One, I've started waking early in the morning for whatever reasons. I've started that, and secondly, I've started workout. So that makes me, that gives me such a huge achievement feeling. Like it's like, wow, finally I'm there, which I've been trying. And it is just 3 days now, hoping to continue for at least 21 days so that I can get into that mode.
Yeah.
So
Sure you
feeling
will.
good.
Sure you will. And that's a very good thing you did, that you started with a workout. Again, times when you have these lower vibrational emotions, you have fear, your anger, yeah, aise koi bhi sad, and when you do a workout, basically what happens is, when you do a physical workout, the brain releases the neurotransmitters. Okay, there are these happy hormones which are released, and they, that chemical reaction which happens with it automatically puts you into a happy state, yeah, into a more motivational state. So it's a very good thing. The decision which you took, the action which you took, is so perfect for changing the mindset. And keep it up, and I really hope to see you not just for 21 days. I hope you continue, through the year.
Thank you. I need that.
But
I wish
that's a
this.
wonderful action that you took against whatever the fear was. Very nice.
Yes.
Yes. Who else would like to share any kind of fear that you've experienced in the recent past, and how did you overcome it? Or if it is still there, please share, so then maybe we can do something about it. Rashmi, Anu. Yeah, Anu wants to talk.
You know about it. It happened on Saturday. But I am scared of lizards anyway. I'm scared of insects anyway. So there was this one unusually big lizard in the house, and it was for 1 hour. I was trying to, play hide and seek, and when I was shivering also because it was so big, and I didn't know what to do. And you know how this, my daughter started screaming and shouting because obviously it's so scary. And unfortunately, I couldn't even open the door because it was there, and it was not on the wall; it was like on the floor. So all the more, I didn't know what to do. And plus, it was like so big, you know. So it was like I didn't know what to do. I started doing Ho'oponopono over that. I said, tu jao. But then for 1.5 hours, it was a struggle. To be honest, I actually started crying. I don't cry. That but I was crying, and that fear was there because it was trying to jump, like, you know, it was so big, it was jumping. And I said, oh, she started shouting all the more, you know. We both were praying and we both were doing Ho'oponopono, and I didn't know what to do. And then I thought, let me just spray the cockroach spray or do something. So I tried doing that. There was a fear inside, of course. अंगावर आली तर आणि चाटायला लागली तर, because तिची टंग बाहेर येत होती. So I was so scared. I'm sorry, but Shilpa knows what happened to me. So I said, hey, असं काही अशी लिझर्ड नसते, असली तरी जंगलात असेल, इकडे कुठे आली. So babies and all okay, but then I was just thinking in my head, what if I kill it? What to do? Because this one started shouting, I didn't know what to do, and I really had that fear, like, you know, I didn't know what to do. So I started spraying. It actually went from 10:30 to 12 that I was trying to kill it, or at least try to, you know, shoo it away. But ती एवढी झाडी होती ना, ती जातच नव्हती वर. So I was thinking in my head, अशी काय ती जात पण नाही वर, वरूनच आली असेल ना खाली. So I don't know what, I'm laughing now, but I was not like this. So I didn't know what to do. So that fear was always there, and I said, poor thing, I'm killing it. म्हणून मी sorry पण बोलत होती. Maybe it had babies also, I don't know, but I was just saying sorry. And I said, I was spraying, and माझे दोन्ही पण cans संपले. I didn't know what to do. And when it finally, like, you know, fell on the back, is when I thought, okay, now I can, you know, jhadu marke, I can do something. My kid was in the background nicely cheering, you know, cheering me up, like, you know, she was, but actually she was screaming, not cheering also. So I didn't know. And when I went to hit it, ती परत सरळ झाली. So I said, I said, bloody hell. I was like, you all are laughing, but you don't know what.
Look at her. She's come now in the script.
So then I started spraying again, whatever, you know, also सगळं स्प्रे केलं. आणि देन फायनली आय सॉ की आता शी कांट रिअली, अरे ती अशी करून जम्प करते. मग आय सेड, आता आणि कुठे लपून बसली तर ऑल द मोर प्रॉब्लेम. सो आय सेड, रात्रभर लाईट लावून ठेवणार, ही झोपणार नाही, व्हॉट टू डू. अँड आय सेड, I was actually doing Ho'oponopono like anything, and I said, I'm so sorry, I'm killing this. मी मुंगी पण मारायला मला वाईट वाटतं, ते इथं एवढी मोठी म्हणजे एकतर इथून कशी आली माहित नाही. सो आणि शी वॉज सो फॅट, पुअर थिंग, RIP. बट ते जात पण नव्हती कुठून. सो वेन इट फेल,
Go ahead.
I got goosebumps, you know. हा, तर देन वेन इट फेल नो, मग मी झाडून मारलं तिला. आणि दार उघडायच्या ऐवजी आय केम ऑल द वे विंडो मधून खाली टाकलं तिला. बट आय फेल बॅड, लाईक, यु नो, थोडं लॅसराइट्स केले तिच्यावर. आय फेल सो सॉरी. म्हणून टाकली.
So again, moral of the story, yeah, coming back to the fear, yeah. And you have been super scared of lizards, and you managed to kill it. What was the motivation behind it?
First thing, I thought it should not come on us, you know, like, because these are poisonous. You don't know what happens. And lizards are so creepy. They could be innocent, I don't know, but they're creepy. So I said, you know, like that mother, that warrior mother thing came out of me for the poor lizard. But मला वाटलं विचार आली तर काय करणार. It was jumping.
So basically, the mother in you, turned into a warrior, like you said, and and you killed it. But so
I killed it.
What did you learn out of this experience? Did you learn anything, or is it only about?
No, what I felt later is that I know whatever it is. I mean, this was a small incident, but then I later realized that I can actually protect myself and my daughter against all odds, or against anything, or anybody, or whatever it is. You know, at least I have that कि प्यार से मारो या कैसे भी मारो, मारना पड़ेगा तो मारो. but Ho'oponopono bhi karo.
yeah. And again, you know, I'm just coming to that point where you said that किसी को मारना नहीं चाहिए. All of that is fine. Like, you know, we all believe in that. I don't think so that there are human beings who जो जानबूझ के ऐसे सोचते हैं अभी इसको मारना है उसको मारना है. You know, it just that killing happens because we are either trying to protect ourselves or our loved ones or whatever. So it's the same thing. हम कितना भी बोले कि हम बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, बहुत spiritual है, बहुत ये है वो. What if tomorrow somebody comes and tries to do something to your loved ones? You know, you will, you know,
Will
that
jump.
at that point of time, you might just take an action which may look like something which is illegal or unethical or whatever, but that strong mother in you just came out. And that's the reason I said that I'm so proud of you that you overcame your fear. As in, she was, when she messaged me, she was trembling, she was crying, she was everything, you know, and she was at least a million times she was saying sorry. But I still feel, you know, very, very proud of the fact that she was so scared but she was able to do this. And that is what, you know, she just realized the power within her. And I think that is what it is with all the fears. You know, it is basically, I think it just comes to make you realize the power within you. And unless we don't claim that power within us, it overpowers us, the fear overpowers us. So that is what it is. Rashmi, you had something to share?
So not fear exactly, but I mean, you know that so for everyone on the call, my husband's been positive, detected positive with COVID since last Saturday, Sunday. So something very funny happened. Nothing, I'm not at all म्हणजे काही भीती वगैरे अशी काही नाही. ही इज एकदम मस्त, तो त्याचा सेल्फ आयसोलेशन एन्जॉय करत आहे. आम्ही इकडे घरात क्वारंटीन आहोत. But so on Friday he lost his taste, and so what the first thing that came to my mind is that now that he's lost his taste, let me just make whatever that I like and what he doesn't like. So he's a very fussy eater. He eats ऐसा गिन के 4 भाजी खाता है, बाकी और कोई भाजी नहीं खाता. तो मैंने और मेरे मदर इन लॉ ने डिसाइड किया जो भी अपने को पसंद है अभी ये 2-3 दिन में बना लेते हैं जब तक उसको टेस्ट नहीं आता है. So we've been giving him beetroot and pumpkin soup. We've been giving him दूधीचे थालीपीठ. जो हमको पसंद है हम बहुत अच्छे से खा रहे और उसको खिला रहे. आज उसका पसंद का फर्स्ट आमरस ऑफ द सीजन वी मेड कि चलो थोड़ा सा उसको कुछ खिला दे. बट ही सेड मुझे कुछ टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा. ओके वेरी गुड, अभी भी टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है तो जो हम लोग अपना पसंद का ही खाना बना.
Look, so there is no fear only here basically. So somebody, you know, somebody is tested positive there, lost his sense of taste, and there is another who's enjoying that. So that's a good one.
The first thing when he told me on Friday morning that I think I've lost my taste, so I asked him, are you sure you lost your taste or is it just something told that no मुझे कुछ taste ही नहीं आ रहा है. तो I said perfect, फिर आज तो डिनर में पालक का भाजी बनेगा. तो बोला मेरे को दिखता है लेकिन खाने के टाइम पे मैं क्या खा रहा हूँ. तो I said okay तुम पालक चिकन समझ के खा लेना, पालक का भाजी रहेगा वो.
That's again a very positive way of looking at things. But basically she's really had a blast, you know, uske is pe, so which is good. But then coming back to, you know, this whole fear thing, I recently read this one statement that everything is in your power. Everything is in your power. And where is your power? Your power is within you. Your power is within you. So that is something when we decide to connect to that the power is within us. And if we can then, connect ourselves to that powerful place, if we can, start operating from a place of power, we will be able to handle, deal, overcome with these fears. Yeah, there is a lot of fear psychology which has been used. The fear psyche is used by various kinds of industries, and basically it is so that you get scared and you buy those products, and you get scared, and uh, there are others who are going to benefit out of it. But it is, again, everything is here. And if you can claim that power, and if you can mm, actually operate from that position of power, you will realize that the power, the fear has no control over you. Again, that fear just tells us a lot of stories. It just creates a lot of scary stories in our head. And for all those who did the workshop map with me, we used to play this what if game. So again, that's the same thing. There is so much of misuse of imagination happening when there is fear. Like, we'll imagine all the wrong things, all the scariest possible things when there is fear. So don't feed that fear. All right. And one thing which I personally do is I start moving to my place of faith, where my faith lies. So from there, I get a lot of confidence and a huge support. So just quickly sharing with you a very small thing which happened. So all of you know I've been doing EFT, so I'm an EFT practitioner. And one of these days, I was undergoing a session, like I am a client and a friend was giving me the session, and I decided to take up fear as a topic. Yeah. And while doing the EFT, there are a lot of things which start coming up from the root. So what came up for me was, of course, things related to fear. And there are primarily, I've been having a lot of fears related to finances. And when I did this session, I somehow got connected to my place of faith, and that is Sai Baba. And it was almost like getting into a meditation. And what I saw was, like, Baba was sitting near the dhuni, and he literally put his hands in the fire. Yeah. And there's a story in, if anybody has heard stories of Sai Baba, there's a story in Sai Sat Charitra, like the book which has Baba's all life stories. That there's this baby who falls, and Baba is in Dwarka Mai, in the place where he is, and he's sitting near the fire, the holy fire, and he puts his hand in the fire, and that baby is saved over there. Thereby meaning, he could be anywhere, but he still can save his babies. So I actually saw all of this, and it was like, I was just feeling that, okay, you are doing this for me, you're burning your hands for me, and I'm just feeling so grateful. So I was like, literally, with my eyes closed, in my mind I'm saying, thank you so much. I know you're taking good care of me, I know you're there, and all of that. And I kept on saying, thank you for saving me. And he said this one thing to me, that Baba doesn't want the baby to thank him. Baba only wants the baby to be confident that Baba will take care. And that was like, you know, like a huge turning point for me. I mean, I just don't understand that through that EFT, I reached there, and what happened. And that was so wonderful. And I'm now, every time there is fear which comes up for me, I just think of Baba and I say, I know you're there, and I'm so confident that you will take care. And that is where I am able to now start surrendering, and letting go the fear. So all I'm trying to say is that find your place of faith, find your place of power, and just connect to that place and say, you know, here is my fear, and I give it to you because I know you will be able to handle it well. I can't handle it. So the moment, like Anu kept saying that she kept on doing the whole oponopono, yeah. Again, that gave her that power, that strength to do what she had to do. So that is her place of faith and power. She also has another place, but then, you know, the prayers helped her. You know, that courage came from the courage and confidence both came from there. So it can be any kind of fear. All we need to do is to move from that fear zone to the zone of faith, and have faith that, you know, we are going to be taken care of. It can be any kind of fear, and we will be taken care of. So just be you know, be rest assured that you are being taken care. Yeah. Yeah,
Yes,
feed
Shilpa,
your
I would
faith and
just
starve your fears. Anu has written. Yes, Pallavi, you think?
Yes, I would just like to add into this. I actually missed out, and thank you for reminding. So, how did I reach to that goal? You know, I started working out. तो वो ऐसे ही तो नहीं हुआ कि I
हाँ.
just got pissed and okay, I'm doing workout. Not like that. I gave it a thought. I was sitting calmly, and then there were a lot of messages that I read, and I got the same message that you're telling me now, that surrender your fear, and I am there to protect you. Like you have shared a lot of Archangel Michael messages
Yeah,
and
yeah.
so on and so forth. So the moment I was reading the messages, all messages were popping up, which were guiding me to those sort of things. Just give it up. You don't have to really stress on this point, and it will be taken care. And so I just thought it's enough. Now I just don't want to think, and I'll focus on something better. So I just stopped that,
So
and
wonderful.
So when you said that, I was just recalling my moments. So
But Pallavi, you know something?
just wanted to
The
share.
fact
Thank
that you reach there is because you're aware. Because you're aware that the universe is sending signs. नहीं तो मतलब बहुत लोग होते हैं, उनको कितने भी messages भेजो, उनको they just read it as a message and they leave it. But then, these are signs. These are not coincidences. There are no coincidences in life. These are signs. The universe is constantly talking to you. The universe is constantly communicating
I've
with you.
experienced.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
yes.
if you are listening, मतलब वो कभी कभी ऐसे मैसेज के इसमें आता है, कभी कभी कुछ सामने कोई होर्डिंग दिखेगा, कुछ हो जाएगा, कुछ समथिंग, इट कैन बी समथिंग इन द टेलीविजन, इट कैन बी थ्रू एनीथिंग.
No, most of the time it is you only for me, because whenever I'm experiencing something, you put such a message, last 5 days it is happening. Trust me, last 5 days continuously, whatever I'm going through the next day, and ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ, it is in alignment with what I'm feeling. And the next morning I'm reading your message and I'm like, but I was so silent in these days that I could not reply, and I did not understand what
That's
to reply.
okay.
But I thought
Again,
that it's
with
okay.
shift.
Personally, I just wanted to say that, yeah, it really, really helped.
So amazing that you're sharing this. And again, don't feel pressured to answer on the shift group, because again, for me, I'm very very clear that अगर कोई मतलब कोई उस वहाँ पे कुछ लिखे नहीं लिखे yet, I mean, that is because the universe has decided to reach to all of you through that group. It's 5 years. Imagine, I started it just like पता नहीं, I started कि gratitude exercise करूँगी, ये करूँगी, वो करूँगी, किया भी, and now it has reached to this level. I mean, 5 साल हो गए कि वो WhatsApp का group चालू है. So it is not because of me or whatever. It is just that universe has decided कि जब जहाँ जिसके पास पहुँचना है उसके पास पहुँचना है, and that is what is happening. So मतलब वहाँ पे तो कोई भी जवाब नहीं देता है, मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't feel disappointed or anything कि अरे मेरे मैसेज डाला किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया, मुझे कुछ नहीं लगता, because I just feel the purpose is जो भी पढ़ रहा है ना उसके लिए वो शिफ्ट कर रहा है चीजें. that is all, and that purpose is being served. I know that. I mean, it wouldn't have lasted for 5 years, believe me. And with the kind of, I mean, I have just made so strict rules कि कोई भी वहाँ पे कुछ फॉरवर्ड्स नहीं भेजेगा, ये नहीं करेगा, वो नहीं करेगा.
But that is good.
शांति से फिर भी वो चल रहा है. ऐसे नहीं है कि it's not so. And some 170 people, that's amazing. That's just amazing. So again, it is the universe's decision to keep it going. So yeah, so lovely.
But
I am.
it is really very true. जो अभी जैसे पल्लवी ने बोला है, सेम थिंग होता है, मैंने कई बार एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि बस मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा है और दूसरे दिन मुझे वहां पढ़ने मिलता है, और या ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस होता है।
I'm so
Just
glad, Kirti. I'm so glad. मतलब मुझे एक इंसान भी बोलता है ना कि शिफ्ट की वजह से मुझे अच्छा लगता है या अच्छा फील होता है, तो आई जस्ट फील शिल्पा इसके लिए करते रहो बस that's
अच्छा
it.
फील नहीं होता है, दो नॉट ब्रिंग दैट ट्रेन फॉर अस।
I couldn't hear Kirti. I think your
वहां
connection
से
is
हमको रियली वो खजाना मिलता है।
yeah so that's what, again, the message is written at night only. मैं वो रात को ही तैयार रखती हूँ so that I can post it in the morning as soon as I wake up. या कभी कभी उस दिन तो मैं भूल गई थी, so पम्मी दीदी ने मुझे फोन या मैसेज किया कि what happened today, you didn't post the message, I've been waiting. I was like, and the thing is अभी वो ऐसा हो गया है कि I think that I have posted the message, but I had not posted the message and I was just assuming that हाँ किया है किया है. When she messaged, I was like, what are you saying? I have not posted the message. Then तुरंत मैंने वो डाल दिया. But yeah, so thank you. ऐसे भी remind किया करो, अगर किसी दिन मैं भूल गई तो वो भी बताया करो. Yeah. And also tell me what other things you will like. This year, of course, we'll continue with this pattern. कि I just decided थोड़ा reflection करते हैं. इसीलिए वो है. So through the year, it will 365 days of that reflection questions will be coming to you. Make a journal out of it, a diary out of it, you know, whatever you like, and see how it goes for you.
Even I would like to share, ma'am,
Yeah,
कि
Deepali.
जैसे सब लोग बोल रहे हैं, पल्लवी एंड टावरी मैम सब बोल रहे हैं कि रियली दिस शिफ्ट ना, तो वट एवर मैसेज लाइक इफ समबडी इज शेयरिंग विथ मी कि देख यार ऐसा सच, लाइक शेयर करते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स, घर की नोक झोंक सब चलती है, so they share. So I said wait, I'll give you one a wonderful solution to the problem, and I go back to shift, ढूंढती हूँ because I have put star for all your messages, तो एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग मैं डिलीट कर देती हूँ. तो फिर आई श्योर कि देख अब तेरे प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन आई गिव यू विद इन अ सेकंड, वेट कर, एंड आई गो थ्रू दैट, ये तेरा सोल्यूशन, जस्ट गो फॉर इट. तो मतलब शिफ्ट इज रियली शिफ्टिंग इन एवरीबॉडीज लाइफ.
I'm so glad. I'm so glad to
Really
hear
wonderful.
this. Thank you so much, everyone. And so, from today, you will change your approach towards your fear. Warrior princess ban jao Anu ki tarah, or I don't know whether I'll be ever able to kill lizards. Again, I also have a huge fear for lizards, but she though has just overcome the fear and gone to another level. So yeah, that's lovely.
But Shilpa, I want to thank you because you stayed with me for 1 hour after 12, and you were calming me down because maybe it could be a smaller thing for anybody, you know, who's used to doing that, not for somebody like me. I can go and fight, but not like, you know, do something like this. But um, because Shilpa actually spent that 1 hour only, you know, to help me calm down and tell me that it's all okay, you know, and the way she started telling me that, you know, I'm so proud of you and the mother that you are. And I'm thinking in my, I don't know what I did, but maybe the lizard only came to tell me that, you know what, let all your fears, you know, let it just go away. And maybe because of that, you know, I'm sure it must be blessing me in heaven, but yeah, whatever. But I will tell you, Shilpa, you know, the next day when I saw your message on shift, I was like, acha hai, you know, I could just think, ki, what is this? You know, this was what the whole night. And then she made sure she messaged me again the next day just to ask if I'm okay, you know. So I actually felt like with her messages right now, what she said, you know, on shift, it actually you resonate, you know, this is what, you know, you've been through, and the next day you get the same message, you know. And with Shilpa, I always scroll up and see, because I know there is something for me always in the messages. So I always go up and down and check. And today I can tell you, if I'm smiling is only because of she waited for 1 hour. I would have been crying now, knowing myself. I would have not gone anywhere. But yeah. So thank
Good
you.
good job, girl. And good job, all of you, because I love the way each one of you has dealt with your own fears, like Rashmi in a very funny way, and Pallavi again in a, after a reflection what she's done. So this is so wonderful, Vishakha, in your own way, that you literally not just switched off the phone, you switched off your mind also, maybe from the fear, so Dipali, she overcame the fear and went and traveled a Shani Amvasya ke din. So that's really really wonderful. So and all of us now can, look forward to be like Kirti, where happy for no reason can be our state of mind. So all right, yes, kudos to you all strong women. So like surprisingly enough, it's for quite some time that we are all just मतलब ये women group ही हो रहा है, so which is fine, lovely. Okay girls, I'll see you tomorrow night. Yeah, sleep well, good night, bye bye.
Bye bye. Good night.
Good night. Bye, everyone. See you
Good
soon.
night.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.